Hey guys, do you love sounds of rain, thunder, or wind? Then this website is for you. In this channel, I am doing content of unknown websites and some useful apps. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe. In this website, we can listen different sounds and their combinations, and also we can set timer. Let's get into the website and see how it works. Type a softmurmur.com. This is the interface of website. These are the sounds you can listen. There are sounds of rain, thunder, waves, wind, fire, birds, so many. Let's try any one of these. Okay, see here, we can set timer. I am setting for experiment 1 hour, 1 hour 5 minutes. Then go. See, these are the sounds you can listen. Now you got a peaceful music of nature where you can meditate, sleep, walk or run. Whatever you do, it will make you peaceful.